Good morning. Let's complete our lesson congruency. Generally, if the two polygons are congruent, so their corresponding sides are equal in length and their corresponding angles are equal in measure. As I see here, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, I have to follow the same order. So here, AC congruent to DF. FE congruent to CB, ED congruent to BA. Okay, here AB congruent to DE, BC congruent to EF. Okay, the two polygons ABCD congruent to the polygon XYZL, as I said before. AB here, AB congruent equals x, y. Let's see. AB equals what? X, y. BC equals y, z. BC equals y, z. Okay, CD equals ZL. CD equals ZL. Okay, LX equals DA. LX equals DA. The measure of angle A equals the measure of angle X, and the measure of angle B, this word measure of angle B equals measure of angle Y. Measure of angle C equals the measure of angle Z. Okay, and measure of angle D equals the measure of angle L. So these two polygons are congruent. Let's see. Okay, I have special cases like in the square, because the square it has all sides are equals and all angles are equal. Then if they told me the square AB side length 5 centimeters, so it's congruent to another square with side length 5 centimeter because they are equal in sides. Okay, two square are congruent if what? If the side lengths of one of them are equal to the side length of the other. Okay, the square ABCD congruent to square XYZL, as we said before. AB equals XY and BC equals YZ and CD equals ZL and LX equals DA. Okay, another special case in the rectangle. If they told me the two dimensions are equals, so these two rectangles are congruent. The two rectangles are congruent if the length of one of them equal the length of the other, and the width of the one of them equal the length of the other. So the two rectangles are congruent if the two dimensions, length and width, of one of them are equal to the dimension to the other. Okay, let's solve. Here I have two polygons. I want to solve this. MN, okay, as I said, MN equals what? TZ. Look here, I want to write in order. N, M, B, O. Okay, congruent. 2. Okay, I started from N, M. So I start from Z, T, X, and Y. Okay, I said what? NM equals what? ZT. So MN equals what? TZ, like this here. TZ, I have to follow the order. Okay, NO here. NO equals what? ZY. Okay, OP equals Y, Z, YX, and PM equals what? XT, and as we said, measure of angle